What is zero slope in algebra? Imagine walking along a flat, level path where your elevation never changes no matter how far you go. That's what zero slope looks like on a graph. When we talk about calculating slope, we're measuring how steep a line is. It is found by dividing the change in the vertical direction, called the rise, by the change in the horizontal direction, called the run, between 2 points on the line. If the line is perfectly flat, it means there is no rise at all, so the slope is zero. A line with zero slope runs straight across from left to right without going up or down. This kind of line is called a horizontal line because it stays at the same height, or y-coordinate, everywhere along its length. For example, if the line is y equals 3, it means no matter what x value you pick, y will always be 3. If you take 2 points on this line, such as 2, 3, and 5, 3, the change in y is 0 because both points have the same y value. The change in is 3, but since the change in y is 0, the slope calculation becomes 0 divided by 3, which equals 0. Understanding what zero slope means is important because it helps us identify flat, constant lines in graphs. These lines show situations where something stays the same over time or distance, like a flat road or a constant temperature. When you see a horizontal line on a graph, you know the slope is 0. It's different from vertical lines, which have an undefined slope because their run is 0, and you cannot divide by 0. In real life, zero-slope lines can represent many things, like a steady speed in a car that is not accelerating or a constant level of water in a tank. When you are learning about linear functions and graphing, recognizing zero slope helps you quickly spot when a line is flat and constant. It's a simple but important idea that connects the math to everyday situations. So, whenever you see a line that stays at the same height across the graph, remember that it has a zero slope, meaning it does not go up or down at all.